What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, there is a woman who goes by the name Monique Kekana, a 27-year-old woman who reportedly bent down the home of Kelly Smith after the judgment was handed down at the Jocelyn Smith trial. So, Monique was given a bail of 500 rands, and Kekana herself actually admitted to the crime but gave reasons to say that she was driven, by a desire for justice for Jocelyn Smith, and also that she is also a mother herself. And another thing is that after she was released, after the bail, she stated that she has no regrets for her actions at all. So her case was postponed to somewhere around June thereabout. Let me check the date. Yeah, her bail application was postponed to 27 June at a magistrate court. But what I want to look at in this video is that her actions, were they justified or not justified? From a legal standpoint, what she did is definitely a serious crime. And in most legal systems, taking the law into your own hands in this way is not considered justified. So the legal process is designed, to handle accusations and deliver justice through established processes. But looking from a community perspective, obviously some people feel like it's understandable because it was emotions, a sense of outrage, desperation, etc., etc. So what I see the defense doing when it comes, to the case in court, they are going to create a context where they are going to try and justify actions is understandable, to say that there was intense frustration, pain, and she had to release that through burning her home. But it's going to be a very tough one for her. So there are two things that are actually really interesting here. The first one is that she admitted, to the first responders that she did that. But also her lawyer is saying that she is going to plead not guilty in court. So when it comes to the pieces of evidence, what she said to the first responders is going to be very, very critical. So based on her admission, from the way I'm seeing it, I think like a conviction is certainly likely here. But obviously the court is going to consider all evidence, and all the factors, the context and stuff like that. But I definitely see her facing some sort of punishment for what she did, because you cannot take the law into your own hands, no matter how much emotional you have gotten.